This week is the big game, so you know we have to make some chicken wings. Not just regular chicken wings, but these are some air fried garlic butter lemon pepper / buffalo wings, along with a homemade blue cheese dressing for dipping. And we're going to show you how to make the garlic butter and buffalo sauce. It's real simple. Let's air fry these wings. I left these in the refrigerator to air dry for 24 hours. The dried skin turns crispy and crunchy while the meat stays moist, ultimately producing a juicier, flavorful wing. The air fryer is preheated. We're going to let them go for 10 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then flip them. In the meantime, we're going to make the blue cheese dressing. These are the ingredients that we're going to use for this blue cheese dressing recipe. We got some buttermilk, sour cream, mayo. I accidentally grabbed this vegan mayo, but it'll still work. And of course we got the blue cheese. So here are the measurements for each ingredient. Half cup of mayo, half cup of sour cream, quarter cup of buttermilk, and 5 ounces of blue cheese, and the juice of a lemon. So we're going to add all the ingredients into the container, my Ninja blender. Make sure you spill the buttermilk all over the counter. We're going to blend all these ingredients together. You want to let that blend for about 30 seconds. Once that's done, you have a creamy, tangy blue cheese dressing dip. If you want it chunky, add some blue cheese after you blend the other ingredients together. Season it to taste and you're ready to go. When the wings are halfway cooked, we're going to flip them and put them back in for 15 more minutes. I'm going to also raise the temperature to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So while the chicken finishes, we'll go ahead and make the sauce. We're going to make a garlic butter and a buffalo sauce. The base starts with butter for both of them. So I'm going to add some garlic cloves to this butter, crush them right in, and we're going to let that fry, but don't let it brown. In another pot, add some more butter and the hot sauce of your choice. After 15 minutes, the wings are ready to be sauced. Just take a second and look at those golden brown, crispy, juicy, and I guarantee flavorful wings. Now this is the good part. We're going to put the garlic butter on there, sprinkle a little lemon pepper in, along with some Parmesan cheese. We're going to give that a toss and look at that. Let's put them down on a tray and let's sauce up the others. I'm going to layer in some of that buffalo sauce and give that a toss. Lay that down on the tray and get them organized. Now I'm going to put a little bit of that blue cheese dressing in a bowl and we're going to dig in. I let my wife try it to see what she thinks of the blue cheese dressing, because she hates blue cheese.
What's that, blue cheese?
Yeah,
Man, you know I don't like blue cheese, but that one tastes good.
that's homemade blue cheese.
And I taste like spoiled milk.
Okay. Parmesan. It's really good. That's it, guys. These air fried chicken wings are a game changer. Crispy, flavorful, and way healthier than deep fried. Let me know in the comments what your go-to game day snack is. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more recipes, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.